Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Looking at the Bearcat 980 SSB. We're going to do a tune-up report today for Philip in Louisiana. Philip, starting on AM. That meter here has got 10 watts on top scale. We're showing about 5, maybe 6 there. And over here we got 25 watts on the top scale. So that's 10, 15, and 20. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. 1, 2. Okay, and then we'll put it on the side band. Turn this radio down. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. Audio. All right. So about 18 and 20, 21, somewhere in there for sideband. And that's all she wrote on that one. A lot of noise out there today, as usual. Yeah, about a 19. Can I get a radio check real quick? About a 19. Can I get a radio check, breaker? How about that station, Raj? You got a copy on Screwdriver up here in Broward County?
Yeah, I got a copy on you there. I'm in Broward County also. Hold on a second, UFO. Yeah, go ahead, pick it up.
Yeah, just a quick radio check. How's this radio sound?
You sound good. Doing like a 5-ish on the radio, but your audio's pretty clear. I'm over by Coral Square Mall.
10-4. I appreciate the comeback. Y'all have a fine day.
Roger. You take care. Screwdriver.